In this video, you will learn about the paper format. The paper format is used to send emails to teams inside your office and customers. This format allows you to structure your email in the following manner: the purpose of the email, the action that needs to be taken, the particulars or details that need to be shared with the reader, the evidence or attachments to support the purpose of the email, and a request for a response or a call to action. This format is useful when you have to send business introduction emails, explain a situation, track a project, share information with a team, and interact with a customer. Let us look at a situation where you have to send a business introduction. You have had a discussion with a customer and they have asked you to share your company details over email. Begin with a greeting followed by a polite opening line. In the first paragraph, mention the purpose of the email. In this case, you need to introduce your company. In the next paragraph, mention the action that needs to be taken. Once the purpose and the action has been written, you have to give details. You can attach your company presentation and mention it in the email body. End the email by requesting the customer to respond to your email. Close the mail with a positive closing line. The paper format can be used when you want the reader to reply within a limited time period. Once you have written the email, check if these 3 rules of a good email are met. What you are writing should be correct. What you are writing should be understood by the reader. Use as few words as possible to share your message. We hope you have understood how to use the paper format to write emails.